What is going on, everybody? Keybeard in the lock shed. Hello and welcome all. This video we have a fun package from Lock Chuck. We're gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet because I know what's inside of it, and I've been wanting to do a pick right out of the package video. This should have the challenge lock from Lock Picking Hippie. Lock Chuck just did a video on his. He picked it open successfully. Congratulations. And he was kind enough to let me have a go at it. So here it is. Let's see if we can get this open. Without hurting myself. I love the packaging. There we go. All right. Get her open. Ooh, he's got some stuff in here for me. Let's see. There it is. Oh, very nice. Here we have Hippie number 3 by the Lock Picking Hippie. Oh, key's already out. Looks like he used a key that was cut in the factory, which is A-OK. And we're going to pick this thing open. Since the key is out, let's just make sure it works. And it does. Get that out of there. There we go. Awesome. We're going to set him right there for a minute. Let's see what else is inside this package. Let me open it away from the camera just in case there's anything personal inside. There we go. Awesome. So I got some Lock Chuck stickers. I even got the Brazierless one. I got a really cool card here. That is awesome. Really cool. Got a couple Lock Picking Hippie stickers. Awesome. And another Lock Chuck sticker. Very cool. All right. Thank you, Lock Chuck. Let's, enough talking. Let's pick this thing open. So we're going to grab him. And I'm going to do it like that so it doesn't, that shouldn't mess with the actuator. There we go. So I don't have a thing to hold kicks or Euro cylinders like this, so I always just put the top of the Bible between my vise so it's not going nowhere and I'm not crushing this. Let's give it one last check. Very good. Okay. Yes. I'm going to use top of the keyway. Looks like 50 thousandths will work. And I'm going to try it with a 15 thousandths. That's 25. Half diamond. There we go. So let's give her a try, guys. Yeah, I think a half diamond worked just fine. That was 3. I think it's also 3. There was 2. How's my camera looking? That was 5. 4, I got a little bit of a click out of it. That was 2 again. I'm actually going to switch to a 25 thousandths half diamond, because I think I got enough. Yeah, I got enough. There we go. Getting some better feels. Oh, a nice deep fall set. And I'm oh my gosh, guys. I don't know what I got in camera and what I didn't get on camera, but there it is. That is Lock Picking Hippie's one. Woo! I'm going to gut it. Whew! I'm probably going to speed up the process of picking it, but that was a doozy. Lock Picking Hippie, great challenge lock. Look, you can even see that guy. Look at that guy right there. That's a beautiful pin right there. I do have the key. I know this is a long video. Hopefully I can speed it up. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up. And let me get a screwdriver. Let's see. There you are. Okay. Oh, circlips. They're fun. Maybe I can get it off there. Well, let's see if I can just pull it from here. That's where we go. Yeah, what's a little blood? Do I got blood? No, no blood. Okay, good. There we go. Circlip off. Follower and a shim. I'm gonna shim this guy, and that's the perfect follower right there. Let me grab a shim and the key. Oh, it's got grub screws. Okay. I'm going to do it this way. There we go. I'm going to do it this way because I'm already there. But let's... Zhoop. There we go. Okay. Oh, I'm already seeing some fun stuff. Alright, let's see. Okay, we got... Look at that. He's already got a nice little cut right there. Oh. Oh, that's pin 1 and 2. Okay. I gotta figure out which one's which in a minute here. Hold on 1 second. And the easiest way to do that is to grab the key, throw it in here. I believe this one. Yep, that one's pin 2. Okay. And then the double check. Pin 1. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Let's get these situated right. Okay. Let's take a look at this core. Looks like we got some counter milling on 3 and 5, and I'm not really sure what that's called. A cut on 2. Very cool. Okay, starting from the front. Oops. That shim is going to be in the way, so let's pull that shim out. Starting from the front, we got here. Ooh, it's a little guy. Come on out. Okay, I'll definitely have to watch the camera to make sure I put that back in right. We got a spring here. There we go. And then pin 2. Oops. Keep it on camera. We got, oh, we got something interesting going on here. Oops, come back here. We got ourselves a pin and pin. Very nicely done. And tiny little copper screw. Okay, let's go to 3. I'm gonna grab it just like that. Easy does it. It's like a nice spool with a silver spring. Go to the back. Pin 5. Ooh, nice. I love these. Looks like we got a standard. And boom. And then, okay, so looking inside there, it doesn't look like he threaded it all the way. Looks like he just threaded it for the grub screws, or I'm not sure, does this core already come grub screwed up? It could be. But there it is, folks. Lock Picking Hippies. Amazing number 3. Which took a little longer than I thought, so you did great. So I always try to do the Bosnian Bill rule. A try takes 10 minutes. You get 3 tries, you fail. I kind of did, what, 20 minutes? So I guess that was 2 tries in 1. I just couldn't help myself. I kept getting into that deep false set, and I was like, I'm almost there. I know it. But it looks like we got a very nice spool. Ooh, look at that edge. That's nice. We got ourselves, here we go. A very nice pin and pin right here. Let's see if I can grab it. Yeah, well made. Oh, that is just, I mean, I know it's not pretty, but the ugly ones, those are the ones that are going to give you trouble. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm going to go ahead and let's grab this. guy, and I'm gonna say it was this way. Look at that. Look at that. Very well. Nice. Nice. Look at that. All those little dents and dings. Those are grabbers. That'll grab the edge of the thing and the edge of the chamber and just won't let go. And then on top of that, his key pin right there. Nice serrated cuts. Very sharp. Well done. Again on this guy, lovely 3 serrated sharp cuts. We got here a nice spool. Oh yeah. And let's see here on this guy, we have a little serrated on. I like that, serrated on top and bottom. It's almost like a barrel pin key pin. And here we got a standard. And let's see what we got here. Very nice, intricate, like serrated plus a little spool top feature. And then the last pin finally looks like just a nice serrated cut right there. Yeah, very good. Well done, Lock Picking Hippie. This is a lock to not play easy with. You gotta be good at what you're doing. Very well done, very well made. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. I'm going to put it together and I will send it on to the next person. If Lock Picking Hippie doesn't have somebody else in mind, if you guys are interested in the next lock, put it in the comments that you're ready to try out this challenge lock from Lock Picking Hippies, number 3. There we go. Lock Chuck, thank you for letting me have a grab at it. So whoever wants it, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to lock in and subscribe. And happy picking, everybody.